God, this is just like, oh Jesus, oh Jesus, why is it so big?
I have to put all of this inside. Oh my God. I feel like I want to poop.
No, sir. Whoa, we're gonna get myself in now. Anyways, God, Jesus, everything just look massive. Huh? No, blood, a lie I tell. Highly blissfulness, everyone. It's your girl, Nikki. So today, I just received this stainless steel enema kit with tube set. 100% BPA free. And yeah, I am going to do enema. Have you ever felt so gonged up that you just don't know if you're coming or going? I was watching a video the other day and a man said that he was having chronic pains and chronic this and chronic that, and he was feeling so, just gunk up, just so packed up with crap, and he decided to do an enema and everything went. So I'm going to do this. This is my first time doing this. I had bought this from around 2020 and decided that I was going to do it, but I never used it. It's still in the container. Never used it. So I researched and it was like, it was the 10th. It was coming up as the 10th enema, rating. And I was like, nah, blood, I wouldn't want to do that. And then this came in as number 2 or number 1, one of them. So I decided to get this and it came yesterday. So I'm going to do some herbal blends today. I'm going to let you on what I'm going to do, and I'll show you everything that I've done. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to it because I know it has to go in certain places that's never had any exploration before. But health is wealth. So I'm going to grab the bull by the horn and literally, all right? So I'll come back when I set things up and I'll show you what herbs I'm going to use for my enema. I'm starting it today, which is Saturday the 10th of December. Oh my God. I'm going to break the seal. Basically, I'm just going to peel him off. I'm using one hand. No, I'll just break him. Hold on a minute. There you go. Right. Let's just see what's in this bad boy. Just bear with me. I don't want to break it no more. Oh, come on. Jesus. Right. Yeah. This is going to be... Oh my God. This is just like... Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Why is it so big? And then you get your booklet with it as well to tell you what to do. Fill enema bag you can be using, but I'm using the thinnest part. It tells you how to assemble your enema kit, different type of cleansing. You have oil, water, powder milk, coffee. You even have soap enemas. Okay, I'm gonna do a herbal one. So okay, they're showing you how to do it. All right, let's move that out the wheel and see what's in this pot. This is a big bloody pot. Okay, let's see what's in this bad boy. Okie so don't know what that is. Oh, I guess it's the bag to hold the pot in. Yeah. Oh Lord, look at the big sign. Look at the big sign. Yo, talking. Just looking at this right now, I feel like may I have bowel movements, blood. No, sir. Whoa, we're gonna get myself in now. Anyways, God, Jesus, everything just look massive. Huh? No, blood, a lie I tell. Okay, stop jumping the gun. You don't know what any of these things are. But all of them look massive. Alright. I gotta assemble them and then come back. Jesus. I feel like I have bowel movement. Alright, I'm gonna do whatever I need to do and come back. Alright? I want to do more stuff in here too. Oh, Jesus. Let me come back in a bit. What the hell? Look on the size of that. Okay, listen, just react here, man. Listen, not even. Anyways. I don't really know what it is and different types. Okay, how to assemble. Begin with open the layer part of the surface. So I'm using these chamomile tea. And as you see at the back, it says 100% chamomile, one ingredient. That's why I love these teas so much. They only use one ingredient sometimes, which is so good. So I'm using 3 tea bags in my tea, all right? So what I love about these bags is that they don't come with any metal or staplers. It's just fabric. So I put 3 tea bags in my deionized water, or you could use distilled water or spring water. I didn't have those two, so I used my deionized water. And I'm gonna leave this and let it brew, and then I'll be back. I just emptied my bowl, so it was 9:15 that I emptied my bowl. So I've got a 1-hour gap to prepare everything that I can go and do this flush. All right. So because I'm doing a voiceover, I'm just gonna tell you what I did here. I steeped 6 tea bags, and I didn't boil them. I just steeped them, and then I turned the water off and leave them for around 10-15 minutes to let them do them thing. Then in the pot, I put like half a liter water in the pot. Sorry, deionized water, because I wanted to make sure that it weren't too hot or too strong. And then I put the rest of half a liter in to make it 1 liter water. Bathroom at the moment, and I've just put some water in here because I'm going to dilute my tea, as I told you. So I've got my tea here, very hot. So I'm going to be using 432. Yep. To relax my ass. Oopsie. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna add the water to here now. Oh my goodness. I really don't care if I lose some. Oh my god, I am really stressed. I'm really worried. Okay. At this point, I was thinking I need to just forget this. This not gonna work out. I don't know if, I was still like conscious yesterday because I was just so terrified. Watching it, but now I'm thinking. I'm releasing water slowly. I don't want to release it too much. Shit. I'm feeling it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Mm-hmm. Too much water. I was told I need to do the rocking motion and then turn on your back and then turn on the other side. So I was strategically thinking how me I gonna maneuver this shit. Literal. Boy, I'm telling you, this was a challenge. I'll tell you, I swear to God. I have to do this every day for 3 weeks.
And I have to put all of this inside. Oh my god. I feel like I want to poop.
I'm gonna try. I am going to be brave because I need it for my health and I need it for my chronic pain. So I'll let you guys know how I get on, alright? Right, so this is me trying to, you know, focus and trying to maneuver and change in position. This was the hardest. Because every move I move, I feel like I'm going to explode. Literally. But anyways, I'm going to tell you some of the benefits of doing an enema cleanse and how it can benefit your whole body. You know, it cleans the colon and it's very good to, you know, empty your colon, because when you have a poop, it passes through your colon and everything, and it's gonna leave a bit of smear there and here. So you have to cleanse that out, and the only way you can get to that bit is through an enema cleanse. It's like having a milkshake and you drink it, and what's left in the bottle.
No, sir. No, sir.
I know, I feel it for you, honey. But anyways, you leave residue in the bottle, and the bottle needs to be washed, so you have to wash it with a brush and soap and water and whatever. So it's just the same. You can't do that with that part of your body because it's so delicate. So you would need to do something more clinical.
And I have to hold this in your
like this. So this is the only way for you to cleanse your colon, is doing an enema. And what it does, it helps with treating severe chronic pain. It also helps, you know, if you're having IBS, it helps that so much. And it's good for your skin as well. It helps to detoxify the biggest organ on your body. Oh my God, at this point I was just like, yeah, I wanted to poop right now. I really wanted to do. But anyways, if you're having fatigueness and headaches and backaches, this is a perfect thing for you to do. You have to do a cleanse. And I did a colonoscopy already, and they never find anything like a year ago. That's another video. I'll tell you what happened in there. So, but yeah.
Nope. I don't know if I can do this for freaking 3 weeks every day. Oh my God.
Part 2 coming, people.